Making money with CPA marketing has become quite easy, and in this video I'm going to show you how I did just this, just by using a very cheap paid ad platform. And with this paid ad platform, guys, you are not actually going to spend much. You're going to spend just $1.50 to drive traffic to your offers and start getting some cool cash right here, like how I am actually making right now. And guys, all you actually need to do right here to learn this strategy is just simply to watch this video right here to the end to learn, and actually to not miss out on any important step or trick by skipping the video. Don't skip the video so as not to miss out on any step or trick right now, which I'm going to show you right here. And guys, without further ado and much introduction, let's dive right into the video. But before we do that, guys, if you are new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are lots and lots of videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online right now. You could also make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is on this all section right now, so as not to miss out, because whenever I release some videos right here, you will get alerted for my videos that have actually been uploaded on YouTube right now. So don't miss out on this opportunity right now, as you can actually learn some cool strategies to boost your income online. So diving right back into the video of today, the first thing which you actually want to get done is to get an account created on a CPA marketing platform. And we can use a platform right here like cpagrip.com. All you need to do is to head on to CPA Grip, click on register, and you'll be brought to this page. Provide your basic details right here, like your first name, your last name. You can skip out the company and website section because they are actually optional, as they don't actually have this red asterisk signs. You can actually do see that the sign indicates the required field for you to go on to filling out. Come on to other sections, fill out the field with the red asterisk signs, agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out, and get your account created by clicking on register. Once your account has successfully been created, you can then go on to logging into your account by clicking on this login icon. It's going to bring you right here to a page where you just simply have to come onto this section which says offer tools. Click on offer tools. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select my offers and be brought to this page right now, and you can go on to filtering your offers to any demographic of your choice. Select a top tier country like the United States, the United Kingdom, or any other top tier country, but I advise you use the United States for this particular strategy which you are actually going to be utilizing. Either you use the United States or the United Kingdom to promote offers. And right now you want to just simply select an offer. Here is a very cool sweepstake offer you could go on to using, and this offer right here is actually a giveaway offer of a $10,000 cash right now. So all your leads actually need to do is to come from the United States. They need to be using an Apple iOS device, to submit their email address or zip code while going through a survey using this your unique affiliate link, and you do get paid an amount of $2.22 for every successful lead you do get to this particular offer right now. All you need to do right here is to get targeted traffic to this offer, and I'm going to show you how you could go on to doing just that. So basically, first you want to just simply right click on this image and save the image on your device by clicking on save image as. And if you do that right there, guys, you're going to just simply download the image on your device, because we're going to be needing that later on as the video progresses. And also copy this unique affiliate link right here which you have for this offer. Once you copy the link, the next thing which you want to do right now is to go on to creating a landing page, as a landing page actually helps you get better conversions to your offers right now. So create simple landing page right there that actually resonates with that particular offer which you are promoting, and link that landing page to the offer. You can actually use the breezy.io, maybe you want to use the systemy.io, Google Sites, Webflow, Warrior Plus, and other landing page builder sites out there to create simple landing pages for your offer. Once you create a landing page, you can actually go into promoting that using the platform which I'm going to show you right now in the video. But guys, if you're finding it difficult creating a landing page, you want to just simply head on to my channel OJ Marketing. Click on this search icon, and you want to just simply go on to searching for landing page. And if you do search for landing page and click on enter right now, you'll be able to see some videos I created right here for you that can help you in creation of your landing page right now. As you can see right here, this video is going to show you how you could create a landing page using the Google site. This one right here shows you how you could create a landing page with the systemy.io. This is also for the Google site right now for promoting multiple CPA marketing offers right here. This is a landing page right now creation for the Webflow right now, and you can actually do see lots of cool landing page videos right here that can actually help you want to creating simple landing pages and a high converting landing pages for your CPA marketing offers. So once that has actually been done and your offers has actually been linked to your landing page, the next thing which you want to do is to drive traffic to such landing page or such offers. And you want to just simply use this platform right here called the giveawaymonkey.com. This is a platform right here where a lot of people actually go on to trying as much as possible to grab hold of free giveaways right now, and you can actually take advantage of this opportunity to list your giveaway among one of these giveaways right here, and actually get lots of people in that demographic to try such giveaways out, and they can actually stand a chance of earning that particular amount right there, which is a $10,000 in cash. And guys, all you need to do is to come onto this section, click on submit giveaway. Once you select that, guys, you should be brought to a page similar to this. Come right here, select the giveaway URL, and I'm just going to paste in the URL to my CPA marketing offer or the URL to my landing page right now. I can copy my CPA marketing offer. If you created the landing page, copy the link to the landing page and head onto this platform, paste in that link right here. You may want to just simply put in the giveaway main price. I'm just going to put in something like $10,000 right now, because that is exactly the amount you are going to stand a chance of winning. For the price description right here, you want to take out much of your time to write a description for that particular offer right now, or you could just simply use the same description as in CPA grip, but it's better you do take out much of your time to draft out something quite nice. And for the end date and start date, you can set that right here appropriately. The day you want to just simply start this offer, and also for the offer entry method, select the location which you, or the type of traffic which you want to get to that offer. Maybe the platform you want to use. If it's Twitter giveaway, Instagram, email subscription, fill out a survey. I'm just going to select this right now. And for the eligibility, I'm going to select any age. For the location, United Kingdom right here. Maybe for the giveaway category, select the category that fits that. Maybe I'm just going to select the cash plus gift card right here. And for the image, giveaway image, all you need to do is to just simply upload that image since we downloaded earlier. So I'm just going to select the image, and the image right now has actually been selected. You could also add in your name and email addresses right now. Once that has been done right here, you could come onto this section which says upgrade to featured listing, and for each listing right here, they actually has a price right now, but you want to use the basic listing right here, as you are actually going to get paid just $1.50 to get traffic to your offers right now. All you need to do is to come right here, fund your account, and submit that particular giveaway, and your giveaway will be listed amongst one of the giveaway in this particular platform. So utilize this strategy, get a lot of traffic to your affiliate marketing or CPA marketing offers, and make money online. So guys, if the video was helpful, do make sure you smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Also guys, don't forget right here that you can actually gain access to my channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all, that you do get alerted whenever I release some videos that could help boost your income online. So that's it for now guys. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.